is a tax? Tax is a particular amount which we have to pay to the government. In India, there is a specific structure of tax. So, let's see what is the structure. Tax structure in India. There are two main types. First one is direct tax and second one is indirect tax. The example of direct tax is an income tax and example of indirect tax is a GST. In the GST, there are two main types of GST, that is intrastate and interstate. In the intrastate, there is two subtypes. First one is CGST, that is Central Goods and Services Tax, and second one is SGST, that is a State Goods and Service Tax. In interstate, there is only one subtype of the interstate, that is the IGST. It means Integrated Goods and Services. Direct tax. Direct tax is ultimate burden of tax payment, and second thing is responsibility to pay tax. Income tax is an example of direct tax.
Indirect tax. Indirect tax means here the ultimate burden of tax payment is on purchaser and the responsibility to pay tax is on the shopkeeper. For example, goods and service tax means GST.
If you want to learn the new concepts, then please visit